In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create validation rules in Salesforce to restrict users from entering incorrect data. Validation rules are essential for maintaining data integrity within any Salesforce organization, as they ensure that only valid data gets entered into your system. Let's dive right into creating these rules. First, you'll need to navigate to your Salesforce environment. Once you're there, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will give you a drop-down menu where you'll select Advanced Setup. This takes you to the heart of your Salesforce setup, where we can start creating the validation rules we need. After that, direct your attention to the Quick Find box, which is a powerful tool within Salesforce for quickly locating specific settings. Type Object Manager into this box and select it from the options that appear. The Object Manager is where you manage all the objects in your Salesforce instance, from accounts and contacts to leads and beyond. Within the Object Manager, you'll need to select the specific object you want to add a validation rule to. For example, you might choose the account, contact, or lead object, depending on your needs. Once you've selected an object, you'll land on its detail page. Here, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu and find the link labeled Validation Rules. By clicking on this link, you're heading into the section where all existing validation rules for the selected object reside. To create a new rule, simply click the New button. Naming your validation rule is an important next step. Choose a descriptive name that easily identifies the rule's purpose or the data it concerns. After naming it, consider adding a description. While optional, a description can be extremely helpful for providing context or reminding you and others of the rule's purpose. Moving forward, you'll focus on the error condition formula. This is where you define the criteria that will trigger your validation rule. You can use a combination of functions, operators, and fields from Salesforce to create sophisticated conditions that suit your exact needs. Next, provide a clear and concise error message. This message is crucial because it communicates to the user why their input is invalid when the rule is triggered. Make sure it's straightforward and easy to understand. Once you've fine-tuned your error message, the final step is to save your validation rule. By saving it, the rule becomes active, and any data that fails to meet its criteria will be flagged according to your specifications. Now, let's consider a practical example. Imagine you want to ensure that the email field on the lead object is always filled in before a lead can be converted. Here's how you'd set it up. Name your rule lead email required, then use an error condition formula like and is converted is blank email. For the error message, you might say email address is required before lead conversion. This rule checks if the is converted field is true and if the email field is blank. If both conditions apply, users will see your error message and the lead won't be converted until the issue is resolved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll create robust validation rules that help maintain data quality in your Salesforce organization.